You better have something good to say.
You better. You know what, Eric? You better have something good to say.
Don't waste anybody's time.
Who, me or High Pitch?
You. Eric the Midget.
You're forcing us to talk to you.
For starters, jackass, show some fucking respect.